Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today, I'm going to show you all how to use a micro needling pen at home. If you don't know what micro needling is, then a micro needling is a process that involves using needles to puncture hundreds of tiny holes into the skin. Some people use a derma roller to do this, but I'm going to use a derma pen here. So, the one I'm going to use today is one from the banggood.com. It's called My-M. This product is quite popular and it was sent to me by banggood.com to review, but this is not a sponsored video and my review will be 100% honest. I'm going to provide you guys with an honest review as well as a first impression video actually. First of all, I love the packaging of this product. It comes in this beautiful storage box which is convenient for traveling. It comes with the main device, the adapter and the cable. It also comes with 5 sterilized needle cartridges and a user manual which you must read carefully before using this product. So in order to use it, you should connect the adapter and the cable to the device and plug it onto the electricity. They also provide you with an international adapter according to the country you live, which was really kind of them. Okay, so I have to be honest with you guys. I have never ever used this product or any derma roller ever in my life. So this is the first time I'm going to touch my face with needles. So yes, I'm a bit scared to use it, but I have done my research and studies on how to use a derma roller pen and all the do's and don'ts. So I'm going to give you all the informations you need to know to use a derma roller pen. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So first and foremost, you make sure that your hands are washed and your face is clean. It is very important to make sure that you have no makeup on and that your face is thoroughly cleansed. Now take out the sterilized needle from the packaging and connect it to the device as shown here. It's very easy to connect. You will be able to hear a click when it's done. By the way guys, it's recommended to use this kind of sterilized needle once. It's like use and throw. If you press the power button for 2 seconds, it starts the machine and turns green. It increases the speed of needle movement when you press the button shortly. It also has 5 level speed control. Level 1 for green, level 2 is sky blue, level 3 is blue, level 4 is pink and level 5 red. You can adjust the length of the needle by turning the adjustment ring clockwise or counterclockwise. If you turn it clockwise, the length of it will be longer. Turning it counterclockwise, the length of it will be shorter. Now you need a face serum. Not just any face serum but hyaluronic acid. It is the one that is recommended. Here I'm going to use the hyaluronic acid from the brand The Ordinary. So we will be using this serum throughout this micro needling process because we need the derma pen to smoothly glide onto our skin and it will also help our skin from moisture loss. Okay, so now as this is my first time using this product, I'm going to use it on the lowest setting. I'm going to use 0.25 as my needle length and I'm going to use it on the lowest speed setting. I'm going to start with my forehead area. This hyaluronic acid sinks into the skin and dries up very quickly. So I'm going to apply this serum on my forehead again. As I said before, I'm going to use it on the lowest speed setting and 0.25 as the needle length. You can move the pen diagonally, vertically or even in circular motion all over your forehead area. Microneedling may seem like the newest trend in beauty or skincare, but it's actually been around and evolving for over 50 years. Fans of the microneedle claim it treats everything from wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and dull skin to issues such as scars, stretch marks, and cellulite. The Derma pen has tiny needles at the end that make little holes or needle pricks in the top layer of your skin. The little holes from the needles create microchannels that allow skincare products such as potent serum to penetrate and absorb into the deeper layers of skin to deliver more powerful results. These tiny pinpricks act like a bunch of mini injuries that kick skin into healing mode and stimulate collagen and elastin production. This process plumps skin and improves the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, scars, and pores. The biggest no-no is using the microneedle on active acne because you run the risk of infection. Avoid blemished area during microneedling or wait until pimples are gone before undergoing the process. Surprisingly, this process did not hurt me at all. So I went ahead and increased the needle length to 0.5 to see if there is any difference. This time I could feel the needles on my skin, but still it was not painful or it was not hurting me. This was a relief because in the other YouTube videos that I saw, people were like crying from pain. Some were using cosmetic anesthetic cream to numb their face so that they won't feel the pain. Some were even bleeding. I don't know. I don't know, maybe they were using a higher needle length, or maybe I have higher pain tolerance. I don't know. Okay. So now let's start with the cheeks. So again, I'm going to apply hyaluronic acid to my cheeks. And then I'm going to keep the needle length as 0.5 and speed on level 1. Yeah, again, this was not hurting me. It was more like a soft prick on my face. By the way, guys, please keep in mind that every individual have a different skin type. So this may be painful for some of the people out there. So you have to be cautious when you do this, and always start with the lowest needle length and with the lowest speed setting. Anyway, I'm going to stick to 0.5 as my needle length for now, and if in need I will increase it later. So I'm going to do the same on my other cheek. So as I've said before, you shouldn't use it on your active acne, and you can see that I have an acne on my chin area, so I'm avoiding acne area. Now I'm going to do it on my neck area. Using it on your neck helps in wrinkle improvement. It diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, and it also improves your skin tone. Okay, so now I'm going to increase the needle length to 0.75 and do it on my cheeks. I'm also going to increase the power to level 2. So this time I could feel the needles, but still it was not painful, but I could feel the needle pricks, which was actually comfortable. It was not painful, so it was actually comfortable. So I went ahead and did my whole face using this speed and needle length. So yes, finally I am done with my whole face. So I washed my hands again before touching my face. After the treatment, your pores are all open, and whatever skincare products you are going to apply is going to go deeper into your skin, and you are going to get maximum benefit out of it. People normally use more hyaluronic acid or even vitamin C serum after microneedling, but I'm going to stick with my hyaluronic acid this time. You can also use sheet masks after the treatment because it's simply the best way to treat your skin with all the good nutrients. I'm going to use the collagen face mask from Innisfree because I want to increase the collagen production on my skin. By the way, guys, make sure to avoid any kind of active acid treatments after this treatment, such as AHAs and BHAs, and also avoid retinols or retinoids for 2 days. Also, avoid wearing makeup for the next 24 hours. So here is the chart on how often you should use a derma pen according to the needle length you use. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you, guys. Bye. Love you.